For several years, my estate planning clients have been asking me a simple question. Is there a way to preserve my wisdom, not just my wealth? We've been preserving wealth for decades, billions of dollars, structured, protected, transferred. But the brains behind that wealth, the thinking, the judgment, the life experience, that's a completely different challenge. How do you preserve that? For the first time, we can. Thanks to AI, even in its early stages, we're now able to capture something we never could before: how someone looks, how they speak, how they think, how they respond. We've been fortunate to work alongside scientists and innovators who have been pursuing this for decades, and it became clear this was the missing piece. So we built a program, a structured system that combines estate planning, intellectual property law, AI systems, and knowledge extraction to capture your stories, your philosophies, your ideas, your decision-making, and pair that with a digital version of you that looks like you, speaks like you, and reflects how you think. If you've built knowledge, lived experience, ideas that were never written down, or work that was never finished, this is the moment to preserve it. We guide you through a simple process, a few hours, a few recordings, and we digitize your intelligence, creating something as close as possible to your real mind in digital form. Because life isn't guaranteed, tomorrow isn't guaranteed, and most people wait too long. AI gives us a window to preserve something that was never possible before. Your thinking, your perspective, your mind. We're doing it for ourselves, and we're doing it for our clients. If you have wisdom, ideas, stories, expertise, AI is the only tool today that can preserve it at this level. Books can be written later, websites can be built later, content can always be created, but the way you think, that has to be captured while it's still here. Preserve your wisdom, clone your brain, preserve the intelligence behind everything you've built.